My name is Joe Masterson. I'm the Senior Service Manager here in Aurora, Illinois for Grundfos. Grundfos has been manufacturing and selling pumps in the United States for over 46 years, and we've been repairing and servicing pumps for just as long. This facility is the original equipment manufacturer for Yeomans, Chicago, Morris, and Paco pumps, and we know those pumps better than anybody else in the industry. I like to say that we can service any pump, any make, any model, any shape. So we have the ability here in this shop to fabricate and make parts for pumps on a large scale, and we can do everything in between, from fine tuning to heavy metal repair. We offer these capabilities across the nation using our Grundfos branches and also through a network of authorized service providers. Our repair offerings consist of on-site repair and in-shop repair, and we provide genuine spare parts. The on-site repair is something we're happy to do for the convenience of the customer, plus it also helps to see the pumps or the pumping system in its natural state. For the more intensive repairs, we'll have to bring the pump or pump system into the shop, for instance for something like rebowling or for resizing an impeller. Quite often customers of ours are not as comfortable working on their own systems when it comes to setting of parameters inside of the software or when it comes to removing pumps out of their own pits. So with service agreements, they can leave the heavy lifting to us. Our field service engineers will go in and set up a preventative maintenance schedule. They can make the pump system run as efficiently as possible. The operational services that our Grundfos field service engineers are able to perform start with commissioning. We'll make sure that your pump system is working as efficiently as possible from day one. These operational services can also be performed on existing pump systems. Services such as laser alignment, vibration analysis, and thermal scanning can be used to be a predictive tool and show the customer that there may be future maintenance ahead. Performance testing and pump certification are also available. In terms of optimization services, we offer the energy check and the pump audit. These services help us recommend the most efficient pump system the customer can be using for their application. This could potentially save the customer thousands of dollars per month in energy costs. Grundfos field service engineers can offer all of these services on any particular visit, but we can also maintain regular communication through our service agreements. We are at our best when we're servicing and repairing pumps or pump systems. To contact Grundfos Services Solutions or to learn more about our offerings, go to grundfos.us/services.